You have probably heard the saying, lightning never strikes the same place twice. Well, it totally does. Myth: lightning only hits once, then moves on. Fact: lightning can, and does, strike the same spot multiple times. Especially tall buildings, towers, and mountains. The Empire State Building, it gets struck about 20 to 25 times a year. Lightning follows the path of least resistance, so if a spot was a good target once, it is still a great target. So unless you are planning to stand on a skyscraper in a storm, please do not, you are probably safe. But remember, just because something sounds like common sense does not mean it is scientific fact. Myth busted. Want more shocking truths? Like, comment, and subscribe for more real science that zaps away the nonsense.